Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's letter is often mistakenly pronounced as ZAW or ZAA. The correct sound is a heavy version of ZAW, ZAW. And makhrij is different with DAW. We did this one in the lesson of ZAW. But here now we have the same. We did there ZAW and ZAW. And today we'll see again where the makhrij are. And there are other two letters. ZA is also mistakenly, or the two letters which have the same makhrij, sa and sa. And ZAW is also having the same makhrij, but the sound is heavy. That's why it sounded differently. Let's see. Start from here. This is the alphabetic chart, Arabic, and alif, ba, ta, tha. This is also the same place, same makhrij with ZAW. Jim, ha, kha, dal, thal, tha, and tha. Same makhrij with the today's letter ZAW. Ra, za, sin, sheen, thod, tod. This one is mistaken with this one, ZAW. And then there is after DAW is TAW. And then today's letter is ZAW. Heavy but same makhrij with two other letters. Let's see those. This one is we did with when we were doing the DAW. This is DAW versus ZAW. DAW has makhrij where it's a corner of the, not the tip of the, but side of the tongue goes up to the this area where the arrow is, and here this under one this picture shows side of the tongue goes up to the molars. So this one is sound DAW, and this is unique. No other letter comes from this makhrij. And now we are doing today ZAW. Let's see where the makhrij is. This one is all three together, tha, tha, ZAW. And the difference is they are all from the same place. The tip of the tongue comes to the near the upper two teeth, and it's not the teeth but the edges of the teeth, two front teeth and edge of those, and you see the tongue is little bit out. So this area, all these three, tha, tha, and ZAW. But the difference, what is the difference then? Difference is it's heavy, so the sound is you take the back side of the tongue toward the upper side, so that sounds give you, and the heavy letter makes you the sound totally different than tha and tha. They are not same heavy ones. So that's why when we say this, we say ZAW. ZAW. And here you can see clearly the tip of the tongue goes where the corner of those upper two teeth, and this picture you are seeing the little bit tongue is outside. All three are here also. This one is the edges of the teeth and the corner of the tongue meets together, and this is called three, tha, tha, and ZAW. I hope you can learn the difference between these different ones, DAW with this one, and don't make next time mistake about this. Whenever we say, there should be that sounds should be the where their makhrij is and what they really are. And heaviness, some letters are heavy. This is one of the heavy letter. So placing the tip of the tongue against the edge or the corner of the upper two teeth, and then having the heavy sound makes the ZAW. Let's write down and then we will know some of the words which are we usually do confuse with those sounds. First one is we are going to see how we write it. It's the same with you already did TAW. TAW and ZAW, only difference is there is one dot. See, TAW is this one and ZAW is this one. Not hard, easy. Make this way, or you can do just like a B, make this way and little extend it and give one dot. That is ZAW. And now the other two are ZA and SA. These were, we have one dot here. Okay, take it. Now other one which we are just said about the DAW. DAW is like this, is different, and the voice is DAW, and this one is ZAW. So sometimes people mix them both together and the meaning will be totally different. Let's see a couple of words. With DAW, it's a ard. We don't say arz, ard. And the other one is fadl. We don't say fazl. And then let's see the next page. Zalim, or we say zalimin. It's a plural. Zalimin. And then there is dalin. Dalin is with the daw, and this one is with zaw. Most of the people when they say this also zalin. No, not zalin. So in Quran, Surah Fatiha, we have waladhalin instead of, people usually say with waladhalin, then this one will be, and the meaning are totally different. These both are differently written and differently. If I put that word which we use in Surah Fatiha, waladhalin. So please do take care of whenever you are reading the Quran. Don't mix them both together, and not mix them the lighter sound of the and sa also, because this is heavy zaw and that is do. Makhrij are different and sound is different, and the other three, the makhrij are same but sound is different. And we can see maybe zan, there is with, this one is with zaw. There are many words you will see in the Quran, but whenever you see these two, always make different sound. Then it will be correct and the meaning will be correct also. So I hope you learn how to differentiate between them and where the makhrij are, and how even if the makhrij are same, the sounds are different, heavy and not so heavy, or they are soft also. And these ZAW and DAW, they have totally different makhrij, different origin, so their sounds are also different and the places, but still people do make mistake about that. I hope you all understand fully. So this is our today's lesson. And these are we already did some of the, actually lot of letters we already finished. So we will do tomorrow. The next letter that is different than these sounds, but it has also a sound with an other letter also, but it's a heavy and not so heavy. So we will start from there. If you are really learning or you want to learn, please take every day's class from the beginning to the end. So you will understand what we are, how we are writing and what the makhrij are. Don't skip those. And if you have any difficulty, send me the comment. So I will take care of that. This one I did again explain why, because some people still was not so sure. So there are a lot of things I think which are related to this letter ZAW. See you tomorrow with a new letter, and we will do Ain. So let's see what is the sound and makhraj. Goodbye.